Have you ever wondered how cocoa lumber is made? In this video, we will show you never before seen in public videos of how a coconut tree is cut down into size. The first thing they do is to create a flat side. Since the log is cylindrical, they need to make a flat side as reference for other cuts to be made. Don't try this at home. These are highly trained professionals. That chainsaw weighs about 20 pounds. It has razor-sharp teeth that can easily cut through your feet. Using an improvised duster, the assistant dusts away the sawdust. The next thing he does is marks where the next cuts goes. He does not cut through, it's just a marker for guideline. Again, the chainsaw is heavy and the blades will easily cut through your legs and your feet. I must admit it does look fun playing with that chainsaw going up and down. The assistant has to clear away the sawdust so that the cutter does not make a mistake where the blades go. He now makes the second flat side, the exact opposite of the first flat side. His hand and body coordination is precise. His knowledge of geometry and engineering is remarkable. He did not learn about geometry and engineering in school, but his application is sure and precise. His actual on-hand experience makes up for lack of formal education. He is now marking where to make that third flat side cut. After making the proper markings, he is now cutting the third flat side. Don't try this at home. These are highly trained professionals. Just like that, he has made the third flat side with a high 90-degree accuracy. He is now going to cut the different layers or columns, but only 95%. He will not cut through yet. Don't try this at home. These are highly trained professionals. He is now cutting the fourth flat side. It's almost done. He's gonna let it fall. And that is how you make cocoa lumber from a coconut tree. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Please share the video if you think it was helpful. Thank you.